This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. SCM Frigo starts up 2.8 megawatts. Transcritical CO2 refrigeration system for global cosmetics company in France. By Polya Pencheva. Published June 26, 2026. Italian manufacturer SCM Frigo has started up a 2.8 megawatt, 796 tons of refrigeration, transcritical CO2 refrigeration system featuring heat reclaim for a French facility in the beauty and cosmetics industry. The project was initially announced at the 2025 IRN conference in Rottenburg am Neckar, Germany, last June. At the time, R&D engineer Federica Rossetti said SCM Frigo was developing two containerized refrigeration systems, and that one, with 1.5 megawatts, 426.5 tons of refrigeration, of capacity, was already complete. Rossetti described the installation as one of the company's first major industrial refrigeration projects. During her presentation at the event, Rossetti added that based on theoretical calculations, the KIP was determined to be around 1.8. The second unit has since been completed, and both units were started up at the end of May. The SCM Frigo iBooster is now delivering natural CO2 refrigeration at industrial scale in one of the most demanding process environments in the industry. SCM wrote on LinkedIn. The system, the plug-and-play system, consists of two containerized units, each with a flooded chiller providing medium temperature, MT cooling, and a direct expansion, DX chiller, covering low temperature, LT capacity. The MT chiller provides 1.5 megawatts, 426 tons of refrigeration, of cooling capacity at 6 degrees Celsius, 42.8 degrees Fahrenheit, while the low temperature chiller delivers 1.3 megawatts, 370 tons of refrigeration, of cooling capacity at minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. The system uses 8-cylinder Bitzer inverter-driven compressors. This project proved that the engineering logic we developed for commercial transcritical boosters, liquid ejectors, IHX optimization, plug-and-play packaging, transfers directly to industrial scale, said Mirko Bernabe, Bayer Ref OEM, Segment Technical Director at SCM Frigo, in a statement. Heat recovery. The system captures waste heat from the cooling process and produces 700 kilowatts, 199 tons of refrigeration, of heating for a demineralized water loop at 85 degrees Celsius, 185 degrees Fahrenheit. This high-temperature water can support industrial processes such as cleaning, sterilization, and process heating. It also has 450 kilowatts, 128 tons of refrigeration, of capacity for space heating at 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, 104 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Expansion to industrial refrigeration. SCM Frigo has recently undertaken larger CO2 refrigeration projects in the industrial sector. In April 2025, it shared news about a 6-megawatt, 1,700 tons of refrigeration, transcritical CO2 refrigeration system at a shrimp processing plant in Ecuador. The company has also supplied refrigeration systems to smaller industrial facilities, such as the Wilkin & Sons Essex Jam Factory in the UK, where 260 kilowatt, 17.1 tons of refrigeration, CO2 booster packs replaced 4 HFC-based LT 30 kilowatts, 8.5 tons of refrigeration, screw packs in July 2025. And in February 2026, SCM Frigo supplied 2 racks for a 865 kilowatts, 246 tons of refrigeration, CO2 refrigeration facility owned by Manawatu Cold Storage in New Zealand. Quotable. SCM Frigo now has the reference we needed to address industrial clients seriously, said Anastella, sales director, in a statement. The question is no longer whether CO2 can work at this scale. The question now is how quickly we can support the next customer through the transition.